Hello guys and welcome to my NHC Bot tutorial. First of all, you need to download the bot, and therefore you click on the website from NHC on the download latest NHC 2 version here. After it'll open a site which contains 3 files. You'll download the PayPal one. After it finished downloading, it'll take some time. You'll just click on it and extract it somewhere. It's not even necessary that you extract it. You just need to open the NHC2.exe and click on purchase. Then it will open the PayPal side of NHC services and trades, and then you need to purchase it with your PayPal account, and then you'll get a serial key for one computer. You should not enter it instantly. You should wait for your VMWare to be configured and then enter it then. We will do this in another video. After you successfully download the file, the bot, you will start downloading the VMware player. You'll go to this website. I'll post this link in the video description, and then you just download the first exe. It takes some time until you downloaded it, so I will be back right after I downloaded it. After you downloaded it, you'll need to install it and then just click through the whole configuration. You'll need to install a new VMware. You will do this like that. Click on File and then on New Virtual Machine. You'll click on Custom Advanced. Hardware compatibility workstation 8.0, and then search your disk image ISO. I use Windows XP Pro Service Pack 3. That's the best system if you do not have such a powerful system and you need as low resources as possible. You click on Next, enter the product key. You can use something from the internet, but I'm not allowed to show you a product key, and then you just click on next, and then you use the location where it should be installed. I use the default one and name it like master. Number of processors 1, cores 1, and then you should use the memory of about 1 GB or like 512 MB. It depends on you. I usually use 1024. Click on next and then click on use bridged networking. Next, 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 next. Maximum disk size is 10 enough. You don't need 40. And then you click on next, next, and then power on the virtualization after creation. Next. So now it starts configuring. It takes some time. You see, setup is inspecting your computer hardware's configuration, Windows setup. It's like you're installing Windows XP on your original computer. I'll be right back after it installed the system. After the system is successfully installed, you should be able to see the screen. Now you should click on Properties and change the theme to Windows Classic to reduce the resource usage. Then click on Settings and set the screen to 1024 to 768 pixels and apply. Then click on Computer Properties and change the System Restore to Turn Off. Apply that and click on OK. After you got everything configured, you'll just drop the extracted NHC Bot file to your system. It will take some time. Now you can start it and again click on it and register the product with your already purchased key. Usually this window will show up. You can activate and use it for 1 day, so you don't have to so you have to enter it after 1 day, the key. So now after you've done that, you'll have to configure it and make it ready for League of Legends. I will use you'll just need to install network framework, I think 3.5. I'll post the download link, and League of Legends which is fully patched. I'll show this on an already configured VMware. As you can see, my already configured VMware started. Here's League of Legends already installed. I'm clicking on my folder for the NHC Bot, and now we need to configure it before we are starting it. You click on the config.ini and you'll just leave that 2 lines like that. You do not need to change them. Stop the current account after reach level 5 or 10. Now you need to decide if you want the refill 1 or refill 2 system. Refill this for refill 1, this for refill 2. This shows the path to your LoL launcher. Be sure to enter the right path and the admin.exe. Password for the games is a random combination of numbers or just letters. You can use everything you want to, it doesn't really matter. This is to add a random number in your summoner name. This usually it hasn't to be used if you're using the account creation tool of NHC, so leave it on 0. By method 1, leave it like that because you'll get a higher XP boost and faster leveling with that method. Use game mode 2 for faster leveling as well. Create a game room with random numbers and letters, leave it on true, otherwise we will encounter problems. This is used for IP farming. If you're using your own account, your main account for IP farming, use a game counter, for example, of 1000 games. If you want to use it for refills, leave it on 0. Leave that one on 0 as well because it's faster. Battle Training 1 because you are leveling faster. Hype My Ass is for VPN tool. You can use it on, leave it on 0. It won't make any changes. Accepting the IP, but as long you're not using it for your own account, it's not that important. Leave this one like that as well. Save the changes. On the accounts.txt you are entering the accounts. This is an example. These accounts are already used and you don't have to try to steal them because they are all level 10. This is the account ID and that is the pass. As you can see, if you start the bot, it's starting League of Legends automatically. If you want to have more than one bot working, you should do this. Shut down the machine. We're using master for this example. Do a right click, click on snapshot and then take snapshot. The name of the snapshot nor the description is important. Save it. Then click on manage and clone. Next, and then use an existing snapshot. Click on go on. Create a linked clone. Next, slave 10 for example. You've done it. Now we got a slave working like the same, having the same configuration like your master, and you can use both at the same time without any problems. You can use 2 devices at the same time and you can do this as often as you want. if you want to have more than one slave, you can just create more than one. It's not a big deal doing this. Just click on manage again. The master has to be shut down. Clone, next, 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 slave 11. Done. You got 2 slaves now. Thank you for watching this tutorial, and I hope you enjoyed it. If you have any problems, feel free to answer me.